a Nigerian president going to correct the problem in Niger? Because what happened in February in Nigeria is also a coup. Yes. Abi? Yes. People want to go and do elections. You did not allow the election to take place. You write results and now sit in the middle of the night and you become president through that theft. That's a coup against the people.
Thank you so much. I'm your brother, this is great. You see, Wole Soyinka is trying to stand logic on its head, telling us he can categorically state that P2B came third in 2023 presidential election.
He took over the labor movement, which is one of my favorite movements also. And then it became a regional party, more than, whereas it was a marvelous breach into the established two camps. Peter Obi achieved something remarkable there, that he broke that mold. Yes, however, he did not win the election. In addition, my own organization has a monitoring unit. You know the one I'm talking about. And so I could say categorically that Peter Obi's party came third, not even second. And that the leadership knew it. Well,
It's unfortunate that at a time when Wole Soyinka should stand up for Nigeria, at a time Wole Soyinka should contribute to move Nigeria forward, he decided to play tribal game. He decided to work and undermine the Nigerian people. It's so unfortunate. How can this man say P2B came third? And there is no sense of shame that INEC uploaded blank papers, about 20,000 polling booths. What INEC uploaded? Blank papers. And from those blank papers, they cooked up the figure they used to give victory to Tinubu. So, this elder statesman is not worried that a criminal gang dumped the polling booth result sheets and uploaded blank papers. Those blank papers were all made available to the court.
INEC IC director testified and provided evidence on that. There was nothing more for INEC to say again.
So just to clarify, are you saying that what was uploaded on the IRM is different from what was on the form EC8A?
Of course, no. The form EC8A was meant to be what is on the IRM. But we have forms EC8As, we have IREV copies certified by INEC, which are completely blurred, unreadable, contains strange pictures, images. Indeed, the IC director was given a copy or copies of these blurred forms, ECTs, presumably, and was asked to tell the court how many scores that were written on those copies. If you were in the court, you would have seen his difficulty because nothing was written on those documents. So one wonders, on what basis did INEC collect the result? On what basis did you announce a result when you have results of the election given by you that are not clear, they're not readable, that are indeed blurred images, blurred pictures? What are you declaring? What are you collecting?
Satisfied true copies made available. Not just that. INEC ICT Deputy Director, we are told he's a pastor in Redeem or whatever, was before the court And those blank papers were handed over to him with orders stacked in boxes. And he was asked, from those blank papers, which you used to collect results, which you satisfied as true copies of result sheet used in the collation of results, can you now tell us one by one the score of the parties, starting with APC? He said there is nothing he can say in a blank paper. But that is the result sheet uploaded by the gang, the criminal gang. And we are going about as if nothing happened. That an institution like INEC conducted the election. They had the original copies of the result sheet. But if they upload those result sheets, victory will go to the person, the powers that be do not want Nigerian people to vote for. Consequently, the result sheet from the said election conducted by INEC, over 40,000 of those result sheets, INEC decided to do away with them so that they will give victory to the anointed candidate of the forces of darkness holding Nigeria captive, of the forces of darkness that said Nigeria will not move forward. Lo and behold, Wole Soyinka decided to go with those forces of darkness. Wole Soyinka decided to associate himself with the criminal gang. And there is no sense of shame that blank paper, close to 20,000 of them, uploaded as a result sheet, pictures uploaded as a result sheet, blood images uploaded as a result sheet. But Wole Soyinka is not feeling sorry that the situation in Nigeria is becoming hopeless. At that age, the man died in him. The man died in Wole Soyinka. The courage to speak the truth is not there anymore. What money cannot do does not exist. What tribal sentiment cannot do does not exist. What lack of courage cannot do does not exist. What uncertain identity cannot do does not exist. The man died in him. It's so unfortunate. We appeal to the Nobel laureate. Wake up. A new Nigeria is possible. And the time is now. Share this video and be part of what God is doing by subscribing to this channel. God bless you.